And this question says that x is a point on AB such that AX is to XB is 1:2. Now we have x here, and they said AX to XB is 1:2. So the whole of this, the total ratio is 3. Then this is 1:2, but the total ratio is 3. Okay. Now we're told to prove that BY is equal to 5A minus B. Prove that BY is equal to 5A minus B. Now, first of all, oh no, we're given that BY is 5A minus B. We're asked to prove that OX is 2/5 OY. Okay? Now, using this same thing I did the first time, OX is going to be, we have OA, we have OB, we don't have OC, just OA and OB. So to get OX, you either write something like this: OA plus maybe AX, or it's OA plus OB plus BX. Remember, it's the internal ones that will cancel out, okay, or that will give way. So since we don't have BX, we only have AX given. We actually have BX, but we don't have anyway. Since we have OB, we have OA, but it's far easier to use OA. Yeah, because we're given OA, and then here we're told what AX is too. So let's just use this, okay? Now, OA is actually given to be 3A. OX equal to OA is 3A plus our AX. We are told that AX is 1:2. Okay, that means the total of this is 3, so is 1/3 of AB. But what's AB? We already got our AB to be 3 into 2B minus A. Okay, so our AX is 1/3 of 3 into 2B minus A. Okay, now we have our OX to be 3A plus 2B minus A. Okay, and that's going to give you 2A plus 2B. Okay, now again we have OY here, so let's try and establish OY maybe in terms of B this time. So we have our OY, OB plus BY. Now OB we're given to be 6B. Okay, then our BY we're given to be 5A minus B. Okay, this is actually 5B plus 5A. Okay, now we've established that this is like 5 into A plus B, and OX is like 2 into A plus B. Okay, now remember we're asked to prove that OX is 2/5 of OY. So let's find 2/5 of OY and see what is going to give us. 2/5 of OY is 5 into A plus B. 5 into A plus B. So it's going to give us 2 into A plus B. And that is our OX. So it's proved. Okay? Now OX is 2 into A plus B. So we've proved that our OX is 2/5 of OY.